Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Google Assistant option into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then on the bottom right corner I've got more options, so I'm tap it. And if you don't have this button here, tap to your Google account icon and choose settings. So I'm tapping more and go into settings. And now choose Google Assistant. And in this menu scroll down and find general option, this one. And last step, tap here on this feature to activate your Google Assistant. And confirm operation, tapping turn on one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.